Morning, Steve Freed. The USDA came out with their January crop report, and it's four big numbers. And so far, the reaction of the numbers have been positive. Soybean, March beans up 15 cents at 8.76. Corn at 3.58, up 6 cents on the March, and March wheat's up 9 cents at 4.78. The big numbers was the USDA lowered last year's U.S. corn and soybean crops. The soybean crop at 39.30, down 50 million bushels. The corn crop is 13.601, also down about 40 million bushels. As far as U.S. carryouts are concerned, they dropped the bean carryout to 440 from 465. They did lower exports 25, but the crop is 50 million bushels lower. Corn carryouts 1802 versus 1785. They lowered exports 50 million bushels. And the wheat carryouts 941. They lowered feed usage 30 million bushels. As far as the world numbers are concerned, USDA estimates world soybean carryout now at 79.3 million tons. It was 82.5. The wheat carryout is estimated at 232. It was 230. And world corn carryouts now 209, and it was 211.9. U.S. winter wheat plantings as far as 2016, 36.6. The average guess was 39.3, which is friendly. The crop conditions, though, are very favorable. Hard red is 26.5 versus 28.8. Soft red 6.7 versus a guess of 7.1. And white 3.4 versus a guess of 3.4. So anyway, two things. Number one, we'll see if there's any follow-through on these upside. We still have too much supply. The demand, there's a lot of competition for U.S. exports. They did lower the corn and soybean exports, and they lowered wheat feed usage. And so there's still plenty of grain in the world. We'll see how much carry-through there is. The attached chart shows that the Canadian Winnipeg canola rapeseed price has been pretty much sideways. In the last few weeks, we've seen canola narrow its premium versus soybeans, trying to catch up with the soybean price. We're also seeing a little bit of a slowdown in Chinese buying of canola. The canola crop this year in Canada was bigger than people had expected. So I think canola prices will continue to follow soybean prices, and I think canola prices will also follow the demand by the Chinese. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. If you have any concerns or questions about this report, contact your ADM merchandiser or personnel in Canada. And as always, have a safe and profitable trading day.